right, so this is a new smartwatch, a watch that you can't put down. Looks like I can't fully see it. A little bit of the features here on the back. This one is pink. They also make a black version. It's a color TFT LCD smart bracelet. Resolution is 320 by 385. Unlock, touchscreen unlock. Sensors, 3-axis sensor, green light rate sensor. It is waterproof, no real rating. System requirements is Android 5.0 and above and iOS 9.0 or more. So that's really it for around the box. Let's open it up. This plastic. There we go. Get this off. And then it looks like the watch will slide out of this, maybe? So we slide it out of this. And again, special thanks to the company for sending this out to me to make an unboxing. Guys, take this out. Look at all this. All right. Important safety information. Nice. 18-month maintenance guarantee. So nice little warranty. A full, nice big booklet in different languages. A nice little proprietary USB cable to charge it. And then most importantly, the watch itself. Look at that. Please tear off this protective film before use. It's sad they have to put that in. So the bands feel to be silicone, but man, does this thing look like another type of watch that's made by another company, we'll say. Got one little button over here. Let's see if we got any power. Hold down this. Oh, we do. Look at that. But this definitely has a few options on the back. Yeah, heart rate sensor, sport, waterproof, smartwatch. So I do love the design. If people love that edged design that gives you that look, I mean, this has it. This is a big watch face. I mean, look at that. That's a pretty big watch face. So